Hello, gardening enthusiasts and nature lovers. On our channel, we dive into the wonderful world of gardening, sharing tips, tricks, and eco-friendly practices to help you create your own green paradise. From growing lush plants and vibrant flowers to sustainable living hacks, we're here to inspire and guide you on your gardening journey. Today, we have a special shout out to Ma'am from Simran Gardening Vlogs channel for sharing an innovative and unique method on how to make fertilizer from eggshells. Instead of wasting those eggshells, we can turn them into a valuable resource for our gardens. This eco-friendly approach not only benefits our plants, but also helps reduce kitchen waste. A big thank you to Simran Gardening Vlogs for this fantastic idea. Don't forget to check out their channel for more amazing gardening tips and sustainable practices. Let's get started and give our plants the love and care they deserve. Don't throw away those eggshells. Instead, let's turn them into a valuable resource for our garden. Today, I'll show you how to make your own eggshell fertilizer and give your plants a boost of nutrients. First, start by collecting your eggshells. Save them in a container until you have a good amount. Make sure to rinse the eggshells thoroughly to remove any residue. This helps prevent odors and keeps your fertilizer clean. Next, spread the cleaned eggshells out on a tray. Let them air dry completely. You can also speed up the process by placing them in a warm oven for a few minutes. Once the eggshells are dry, it's time to crush them. You can use a mortar and pestle, a food processor, or even a rolling pin. The goal is to grind them into a fine powder, as this helps the nutrients become more easily available to your plants. Now that you have your eggshell powder, it's time to apply it to your garden. Sprinkle the powdered eggshells around the base of your plants. Eggshells are rich in calcium and other minerals, which help improve soil structure and provide essential nutrients for plant growth. You can also add crushed eggshells to your compost bin. They help balance the pH level and add valuable minerals to the compost, making it even more beneficial for your garden. Using eggshell fertilizer has several benefits. It helps prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes and peppers, strengthens plant cell walls, and encourages healthy root development. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to recycle kitchen waste and reduce landfill. So, the next time you use eggs in your kitchen, remember to save those shells. Your plants will thank you. Happy gardening, and let's keep our connection to Mother Nature strong. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and eco-friendly practices. Thanks for watching.